Before we delve into that question, I have an oral application to make. The accused persons are minors, and I was kindly requesting court to protect them from the media and from the public before we proceed.
For all the subjects, they are 14. They are all present in court. They are aged between 16 and 18 years old. The court directs that the proceedings to be taken in camera. The media houses present in court shall have the opportunity to be given an extract of the ruling of this case from the court administrator as soon as the same is ready from the court. So we shall not have the cameras and the media coverage in this case. We shall also be directing the persons who are not directly involved in this case in terms of the subjects. You're not here for the subjects. You'll just step out